Welcome back, Gardening Spirit Boosters. I hope that my gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. This is a small gardening little update video. Here are a bunch of jalapeno seeds, plants rather. So hopefully I'll have some jalapeno plants. My little basil's still hanging in there. So look at my parsley down there. I chopped it and it got big and bushy. So I'm gonna be waiting on these jalapeno plants to take off so I can have some fresh peppers. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys for keep on supporting this channel, and don't forget I got a crafting channel. I got a collab over there. I got a grocery channel. I have a collab over there. So if you want to join any of my collabs, go to my other channels. You can join my garden collab on Saturday if you want. Just use the hashtag and you'll be followed by the other participants. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut my parsley, my basil plant, because it's trying to get a what you call it, flowers. I don't want flowers, so I'm gonna cut that. But I can't wait for these jalapeno peppers to take off. Also my little plant, this little tiny flowers plant is doing great. And my creeping Charlie over there is doing great. Got some more seeds in this plant. I think I just watered it and knocked the seeds out the dirt, so I got to cover that back up. And a tiny lemon tree here, doing good. Okay, don't forget now, crafting, I got a collabs over there. Today is puzzling. Then on my grocery channel, you can go over there and check out that collab. Okay guys, I'll be checking out your channels. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for the support. Thanks for your time and support.